Do you have a credit card account where the primary card houses all the payments separate from the individual employee cards? Are you struggling to reconcile these accounts in QuickBooks Online? Keep watching. Welcome to my channel. I am Ufoma Ogaga, an elite QuickBooks Pro advisor and financial controller. Today, I'll show you how to reconcile your credit card accounts when you have a parent's card and multiple employee cards. The steps I'm about to show you are strictly meant for business owners and organizations that do not use the QuickBooks Online location tracking feature. Those who use the location tracking feature in QuickBooks Online, primarily nonprofit organizations, watch the next video showing you how to reconcile multiple credit card accounts using a different method. I am assuming you have already created your credit card accounts and recorded all your transactions listed in your statement inside of QuickBooks Online. To get started, download your credit card statement. For my example, I am using this sample credit card statement and assuming our transactions occurred between December 28, 2020 and January 27, 2021. As you can see, employee cards are listed separately with balances. You will also notice the primary card, aka the parents, is listed above with just the payment balance. Keep your credit card statement open on one screen and log into QuickBooks Online on another screen. The first step is to transfer the balance for each employee's credit card to the parent's credit card account using the QuickBooks Online transfer feature. To do this, click the plus new icon and select Transfer under the Other column. In this transfer window, choose the parent's credit card accounts in the Transfer Funds From field. Choose the employee credit card accounts in the Transfer Funds To field. Enter the transfer amount, which is the same as the employee card ending balance listed on your statement. Enter the date as the statement closing date. Enter a memo so you know the purpose of this transfer. I like to use something that says employee credit card number, balance transfer to parent's credit card account. Add a copy of the statement as an attachment if needed. Review everything and click Save and New to repeat the process to transfer the balances of all other employee credit card accounts. Once you have transferred all the other credit card balances to the parent account, click Save and Close to exit out of the transfer window. Next, you will reconcile the individual employee credit card accounts using an ending balance of 0 and the statement closing date. To do this, click on Accounting and select Reconcile. You can also click on the gear icon and select Reconcile. In this reconciliation window, select the employee credit card account, add 0 as the ending balance, and enter the statement closing date as the ending date. Then click Start Reconciling. Compare the transactions in the reconciliation window to the ones listed in your credit card statement, and mark the ones that cleared, including the closing statement balance amounts we recorded. Review the account for duplicates and resolve them if needed. Once your difference is 0, click Finish to close the reconciliation window. Print your reconciliation report to PDF and store it in your cloud storage system. Repeat the reconciliation process for other employee credit card accounts that you have. The next step is to reconcile the parent's credit card account using the same reconciliation process. Open the reconciliation screen again and select the parent's credit card account. Enter the statement closing balance for the parent's credit card account in the ending balance field. Enter the statement closing dates in the ending dates field and click Start Reconciling. Once again, compare the transactions in the reconciliation window to those listed in your credit card statement and mark the ones that cleared. Review the account for duplicate transactions and resolve them if needed. Once your difference is 0, click Finish to close the reconciliation window. Click Done in this pop-up screen and go to the History by Account to view your reconciliation reports. Print your reconciliation reports to PDF and store it in your cloud storage system. Once all your credit card accounts are reconciled, run a balance sheet report for the statement period. You will notice the employee accounts have 0 balances, and the parent's credit card account has the statement balance that you will pay when your credit card payment is due. That is how to reconcile a parent's credit card account and multiple employee credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online for organizations that do not use the location tracking feature. Subscribe to our channel, like and share this video if you found it helpful. For paid consultations and if you would like us to do your accounting, contact us with the information in the description box.